In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get 50% off your WIX premium website. If you want to get any discount with WIX, you can't upgrade your plan right away. The first thing you have to do is create a free plan, then head over to their pricing plans. You can Google search this, or you can go directly to these premium plans through your dashboard. So first you're going to want to look around, poke around, maybe click a few buttons. You're going to want to spend a couple of minutes here looking at some of the different pricing options. Then select one of the plans, go to the checkout. Once you're in the checkout, you'll want to spend just a little bit of time here poking around, browsing around, and we'll head all the way back to our dashboard. Wait a couple of days, at most a week, and you'll be greeted with this amazing 50% off premium plans. If you have an email set up with your site contributors, you will be getting an email as well with a limited time offer, 50% off. You can simply just push this button here within your dashboard, go straight to the plans, and it has a 50% off. You cannot share this discount. It is only for your plan. As you can see, all the plans now have the save 50% off. When we onboard all of our clients, we always go for the 3 years, and you will be saving hundreds and hundreds of dollars. And that's how you get your 50% off with your WIX free plan. I wish you the best, and we'll see you next time.